Very good morning, 8th class students. Our running topic is area of plane figures. So from that today I am going to explain some problems. Listen well. The area of an equilateral triangle is 49 root 3 centimeter square. So the area of an equilateral triangle is 49 root 3 centimeter square. Taking each angular as a center of a circle. Angular points as center. A circle is described with radius of equal to half. So the radius of that each and every circle is half of the side of that equilateral triangle. It means if the total length of the side of AB is 14, then half of that is center of the given circle. Now you have to find the area of the shaded region. To find the area of the shaded region, what I need here? Here one triangle there. So from the triangle you have to remove three sectors. I am taking this point as P and Q and R. To find the area of the shaded region, from the area of triangle you have to remove the area of dissector and also area of dissector and also area of dissector. Solution. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to 49 root 3 centimeter square. So from the diagram we can observe three sectors. What are that? One is APQ sector and another one is PBR sector. Next one is QCR sector. So from the diagram we can observe three sectors. What are the first? APQ, comma, BPC, comma, RCQR sectors. And area of the three sectors are equal. Why? Because radius not changing and also angle not changing. Each and every sector it is making 60 degrees angle. So here radius of the sector not changing and also angle of the sector not changing. Area of these three sectors are equal. So what we get here? Area of APQ sector is equal. Area of BPC sector is equal. Area of RCQ sector. To find the area of the sector, we have a formula. Area of APQ sector is equal. What is the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta means angle. Here, what is the angle? 60 degrees. By 360 into pi means 22 by 7 into r means radius. What is the radius of the sector here? 7. So it is 7 into 7. 7 gets cancelled. 0 cancel. 6 1s are 6 6s are 2 3s are 2 11s are. How much remaining here? 11 into 7 by 3 is equal to 77 by 3 centimeters. So 8 centimeters square. Area of one sector is equal to 77 by 3 centimeters square. Here there are total 3 sectors are there. Now area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle ABC minus 3 into area of APQ. Why? Because here three sectors are formed and also area of the three sectors are equal. So area of triangle ABC already there in question. That is what is it? 49 root 3 centimeter square minus 3 into what is the area of the sector? 77 by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Already we know the value of root 3. Root 3 we can write as 1.732 minus 77. Now multiply this 49 and 1.732, you will get 84.868 minus 77. Now subtract 77 from 84.868. You will get the answer 7.868 centimeters square. So what is the area of the shaded region? 7.868 centimeters square. 8th class students, here another question. The adjacent figure consists of 4 semicircles. So in this figure 4 semicircles are there. What is that? AEO is one semicircle. OGC is one semicircle. OHB is one semicircle. OJD is one semicircle. So in this figure there are 4 half circles. Figure consists of 4 half circles and 2 quarter of circles. So this is one. OAC is a quarter of the circle. So in this figure 4 half circles are there and also 2 quarter circles are there. Now you have to find the area of the shaded region. Here what is the given? OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to 14 centimeters. So to find that, I am dividing the shaded region into 4 parts. What is the first part here? AOCF. AEOCF is a first part. Then after OGC is a second part. OJD is a third part. Then what about the fourth part? ODIBH. So I am dividing that shaded region into 4 parts. Area of the first part and fourth part both are equal. Similarly, area of the second part and third part both are equal. Now I am going to find the area of the first part. What is the name of the first part? AEOCF. Now area AEOCF. So the diagram is like this. To find the area of this part, you have to subtract AEO semicircle from AOCF quarter of the circle. AOCF is a quarter part of circle. Then AEO is a semicircle. So what we can write? Area of AEOCF is equal area of AOCF minus area of AOE. AOCF is nothing but quarter of the circle. So this is pi r square by 2 and this one pi r square by 2. This is pi r square by 4. Why? Because quarter part of the circle. And pi r square by 2. This is nothing but half of the circle. Now area of AEOCF is equal. Here what is the radius? 14 is equal pi r square by 4 means here what is the meaning? Pi is common. Leave it. Pi means 22 by 7 into 1 by 4 into. What is the radius here? 14 into 14. Then area of the half circle means 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Why? Because diameter is equal to 14. Radius is nothing but half of the diameter. Now in cancellation here, 7 ones are 7 twos are. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 ones are 2 11s are. So remaining 11 into 14 minus 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 11s are. How much it is? 77. 154 minus 77 is equal to 77 centimeters square. So already I told the area of the first part and fourth part both are equal. So what we can write here? Area of AEOCF is equal to area of OHBID. Area of OHBID is equal to 77 centimeters square. Next I need the area of this one. Which one? OGC. Area of OGC is equal to area of OJD. Why? Because I already told area of the second part and third part both are equal. Why? Because both are semicircles with the same radius. What is the answer here? Pi r square by 2. It means 22 by 7 into 1 by 2 into 7 into 7. 7 7 cancel. 2 ones are 2 11s are. How much it is? 77 centimeters square. Now I know the areas of all four parts. What we can write? Area of shaded region is equal. What is the area of the first part? 77. Second part is also 77. Third part is also 77. Fourth part is also 77. Is equal to 4 into 77 is equal to 308 centimeters square. So area of the shaded region is equal to 308 centimeters square. So area of this part is 77 and also this part 77 and also this part 77 and also this part is 77. So finally area of the shaded region is equal to 308 centimeters square. So class students, today's homework, 4 equal circles are described about the 4 columns of a square that each circle touch another 2 circles. Find the area of the space between the 4 circles. Circumference of the circles. Each side of the square. So what is the side of the square here? 24 centimeters. So by reading this question, take one diagram. Then after find the area of the shaded part.